Hello everybody! It's been a busy holiday season, but now it's once again time to clean the floor. Today's product, I have the Creolina Pino Aroma multi-surface cleaner, cleans and deodorizes. And it's made with real pine oil. Not sure how much, but here's a look at the label and directions. Made in USA. And here's the other side of the label. Can do a lot of stuff, it says. Rex Chemical Corporation. Well, let's go over to the cloud cam and see what's going on over there. Alright, we're over here at the cloud cam. Let's mix up some solution and get ready to mop. As usual, 1/8 cup per gallon. That is plenty to make a surfactant to clean this floor. We're not disinfecting, we're just doing general cleaning. I do believe I see some clouds forming. Very faintly. It's a partly cloudy day, but that's pretty good. Here's what the solution looks before beginning. That has a decent pine aroma with a hint of alcohol, so it's a good, looks like a good all-around cleaner. Looks to be doing an okay job. And there's round one. Now for round two. I can see that it's picked up some dirt. The water's darker than it was. Now here we go for round two. Round two is complete. And here's the water after. Looks like it did quite a good job picking up some dirt. Little suds, so that's a good thing. So very good. Seems to be a good product. Once again, this has been Cleaning the Floor with Creolina Pino Aroma by Rex Chemical Corporation. Thank you for watching.